Do you know 8 of 10 healthcare providers have invested in digital health technologies and experienced improved patient outcomes? Digital transformation in healthcare industry is the building block of patient-centered care. It streamlines processes, prioritizes patients' requirements, builds loyalty, and delivers a better user experience. If you are looking to deploy digital transformation to amp up your healthcare services, then this video is for you. SlideTeam brings you a ready-made digital transformation in healthcare presentation to incorporate innovation and technologies into your systems and processes to enhance patient engagement and provide high-quality care. Over time, the introduction of digital transformation in healthcare is only set to gather pace. Increasing adoption of technologies such as telemedicine, AI, and digital therapeutics spell improved patient care. Hence, going digit is the surest bet in healthcare today. Telemedicine, for instance, provides a convenient and effective way for patients to receive healthcare services remotely. This is a godsend for residents of underserved areas. Choose the right communication platform, put the patient at ease, and offer feasible payment option to ensure telemedicine actualizes potential. In Nanomedicine, digital transformation works to improve efficiencies in data collection about biocompatible nanoparticles for accurate diagnosis. 5G-enabled devices is another innovation that offers healthcare the opportunity to upgrade its services into more convenient, accessible, and reliable forms. Its major merit, today, is reduced waiting time for treatments. Tricorders is a portable scanning device that patients use for self-diagnosis, and is another significant way in which digital transformation is transforming healthcare. People are also starting to rely heavily on voice assistants and chatbots for reminders or alerts about appointments and medications. Having said all this, digital transformation in healthcare also faces some challenges such as data processing, cybersecurity, and digital user experience. For a well-run business, however, these are multi-million-dollar chances. With SlideTeam's content-ready digital transformation in healthcare PowerPoint template, you will be able to train your team and integrate innovations with ease. Grab this PowerPoint template to embrace digital transformation to stay on the top of your game and give competitors a run for their money.